Hi guys, this is Shivardi. In this session, I am going to explain golden rules for stress-free life. This session is going to help you to handle the stress and lead happy life. Let's go and start. Stress is a state of mind. Stress can be considered as positive or negative. It depends on the person's mental ability. Some of the people perform the best results during the stressful situations and consider as an opportunity for them. One of the most common reason for stress is we think about the end result but not on what we are doing. That means we don't have the confidence on what we are doing. So the mind is always diverted whether we are going to achieve this particular result or not. As the result, it result into stress. Mind always thinks in a negative way, but you need to control your mind by providing the constant positive instructions till you get control of your mind. Let us think if any one of your near or dear friends or family members admitted in the hospital, then mind start thinking negative way that something wrong will happen to him or her. Then he or she recovers well soon, come to home with happily. So always mind thinks in negative way, but we need to keep on trying the mind with the positive instructions so that it will turns into positive and you may lead the happy life. So let us go and see with an example and you can learn a lesson from boat and pond. If you observe the boat, it can ride in a small pond, lake, river, and sea or ocean as long as water does not enter into boat. Once water start coming into boat, then boat will sink soon. Similarly, there is always pressure or stress will be there from the outside in our life, but we need to guard our mind, ourselves in such a way that pressure or stress must not enter into our mind. Once you allow stress into your mind, then all the other complications will start like illness, not able to manage your family, not able to manage your office work, and it leads to conflict in the relationships. So, we always make sure that we need to manage this stress. And also, stress levels are vary from person to person depending on the person's mental ability. Some of the people feel stress managing their families. Some of the people feel stress managing the projects. Some of the people feel pressure when they are managing the state. Some of the people feel stress when they are managing the nation. So that means the stress is going to be vary from person to person and also depends on the mental ability. And one more thing is stress is all about internal but not the external. That means when a person feel pressure, it will start from the internal and it will expose to the outside world. So that means if a person in this stress, then we can recognize with their body language. So in order to understand how stress is going to related with which will start from internal to external, let us consider a pond. When you observe the pond, it will be in the calm status, but whenever you throw any stone into the pond, then water waves will start from the center from where you drop the stone and propagate it till end of the lake. But what causes the these waves, which is this throwing a stone? Similarly, stress is caused internally from your body based on the situation, and it will propagate to the outside through your body language. Now let us consider few more use cases. If you are feeling stress, whether it is a positive or negative, everybody knows that stress is bad for our health. but people are unable to manage the stress because we always think about the end result. If you are a developer and there is a blocker issue comes, now all the people and the stakeholders will reach out to you about for an update what is the issue and when it is going to fix. Then you start feeling stress or pressure. Then what happens is it automatically hurt you. And also if you feel tensed or the stress, the outcome is we know anyhow it is going to be bad. Instead of that, first we need to focus on the work, forget about what is going to happen at the end of this result. That means once issue comes, you start focusing on the issue, then you will put 100% effort to basically resolve the issue. Otherwise, what happens is if you are in the stress, you are trying to take a hurry decision, then something else it is going to break. So that's the reason we always need to be calm whenever there is any stress, and then relax and then think about the what to do instead of expecting what will happen. If you don't resolve this blocker issue, someone will come and scold. Those things is the secondary part of it. But as long as you are going to focus on your work, then you will always achieve better than what you are going to do currently. Now, in order to overcome these stress, we have three golden rules. One is don't think too much about the past. If you had a bad experience in past, take the lessons learned from the past and need to move on, as past is past and you don't have any control over it. If you have done great things in the past, make sure you continue to do the same to attain the higher levels in your path. Second golden rule is observe the present. Today is the most valuable asset everyone has. We need to use it as our last day on the earth. Give the best what you can do to achieve your goals, but don't attach to any of the results or the expectation on what you are going to do. This may look strange, but if you don't expect any result, always you are going to give best out of best in order to achieve this particular task or the result, anything. Whenever you attach to particular result what you are doing, then you will feel stress. It looks very simple, but this is going to be an effective solution in order to handle the stress. And finally, be prepared for the future. Life is uncertain. Everyone knows we don't know what will happen tomorrow, but whatever may happen tomorrow, we need to be prepared and to face any consequences or the challenges or obstacle in order to face with confident, and also take the lessons whatever you had the experience from the past, and you need to move on to the future. So these are the three golden rules you can remember whenever you feel stressed. And finally, if you have a situation where the situation is out of your control, then please be calm, relax, and if you believe in God, just pray for Him. Don't ask Him for escape from this particular situation. Ask Him to give that courage so that you are going to be mentally prepared for the future. Any sort of these kind of situations will come. And also, if you have any habit of going to the yoga, you can every day you can practice yoga or meditation or praying the God songs or chanting. These things is really going to help you to manage the stress levels and also give you happy life. Be happy, live happy. Thank you so much for watching this. If you like it, please share, subscribe and comment on my YouTube video. If you are looking for similar videos, please make a note of those videos so that I will plan to upload in future. Once again, thank you so much. Happy life.